Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Cherokee's channel. You know what it is. It's another cook with me. And you guys probably looking like, okay, what's going on with the cup of noodles, the shrimp, the cheese, and the sausage? Well, I'm about to tell you what I am making. So, I have cheese, I have eggs, I have sausage, I have shrimp, and of course, the main ingredient is the noodles. Now, they did not have the the shrimp, so I'm going to use this chicken. Okay, I have my sausage cut up and ready. I have my green onions cut up and ready. And I have my lemon here that I am going to put on as well. So let's get to cooking. Okay, sis, let's go ahead and prepare our shrimp. Now I have my shrimp right here in the bowl already peeled. And what I'm going to use is slap your mama. Slap yours because I can't reach mine in heaven. I am going to use some smoked paprika. I am going to use some garlic powder. And of course, you already know I'm going to put some parsley on that bitch. So, my sausage and eggs is already done. There's my eggs. And I broke them up too. And here's my sausage. I know y'all like, big sis, what are you making? Well, what I am making with these cup of noodles here today for my lunch, I am making loaded noodles, cup of noodles. Actually, it's going to be, I'm calling it loaded shrimp volcano. Okay? I know y'all like, what? What is she talking about, volcano? You will see, okay? So, let's go ahead and pick everything up and get to cooking. That's why I don't edit out nothing. Because that way, you guys can see all my flaws, you know? So, I am going to go ahead and put my butter in here. Get it all bubbly and happy. Okay. Yeah, I know I'm using a fork, scraping up but I'm doing it lightly, so. Go ahead and pour this shrimp in here. And first, I am going to season it with the slap your mama. Put that over there. Okay. Some garlic powder. Smoked paprika. And you already know. Oh, you know what I'm missing? Who could tell me what I'm missing? Time up. Red crushed peppers. So, let me grab those out the cabinet. Red crushed pepper. Yes, it got to be spicy. Okay, that's enough. So we're going to go ahead and give this a toss. Because you know it don't take that long to cook. Shrimp doesn't take long at all. I forgot my cheese in the fridge. I got to get that out. Big sis, what is this? It's cup of noodle my way. Loaded cup of noodle volcano. That's what it is. Oh my God, look at that shrimp, y'all. Look how good that look already. Yeah, you see that parsley up in here? Okay. I like my shrimp to be a little bit more on the crunchy side, so I'm going to let it cook a little bit longer. And once I turn the camera back on, I am going to plate, and you guys are going to see Big Sis loaded cup of noodle volcano. Okay, sis, I have now plated, and this is my uploaded cup of noodle volcano. I hope you guys like it. I did not show you how I prepared it, but I have shrimp on here. I have eggs. I have sausage. And I have cheese. And I have shrimp. And I'm also going to squeeze some lemon on here. You guys know I'm not going to eat all this for lunch. I will be giving my daughter some, so I'm going to be squeezing the lemon right now. All on it. As you guys can see. Because you know that shrimp, sis, needs lemon. I hope you guys like it. Comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys when I do another cook with me. And yes, it is the original cup. As you can see, I have cut it. And I used about 3 cups of noodles. Okay? I'll see you guys on the next cook with me. Bon appetit. Bye-bye. Okay, you guys, I forgot one thing I didn't put on here was my green onions. And I put them on there now. I forgot. They were behind me in the bowl. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoy. Even though I didn't show you how I did it. See you in the next one.